I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah.
What's up, core crew? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time seeing me here on the YT, don't forget to subscribe and join the core crew family down below. In today's video, I'm doing another wig review. Today's wig was sent to me from Luvmehair. Thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. I will be reviewing their Kinky straight unit, their headband wig. So if you are interested to see the unboxing, how I installed it, and the different styles that you can achieve with this wig, definitely keep watching.
This ain't for the best. My reputation.
So right now I'm just showing you guys the packaging for Luvmehair's Kinky straight headband wig. It came with a number of different headbands that are super cute that I tried on later on in the video.
But you can make me a dream. Dive bar on the east side, where you at? Phone lights at my nightstand in the black. Come here, you can meet me in the back. Dark jeans and your Nikes, look at you. Oh damn, never seen that color.
Along with the headbands, it came with a number of other goodies such as wig caps, this silk scarf which is perfect for laying down your edges, an edge brush which comes in handy with this headband wig, an elastic band, tweezers, bobby pins, and a hair clip. So to install this headband wig, it's super easy. This wig is such a beginner friendly wig. All I did was apply my wig cap, did my edges. This is the best edge control for my 4C sisters, and I'm not like those other YouTubers who be saying they have 4C hair but really be having 3B. No, I really have 4Z, but you know, I'm in the 4C category. So I'm just slicking down my edges really quickly, and then I'm going to apply the wig, which literally takes seconds.
On the west side, me and you, handsome, you're a mansion with a view. Do the girls back home touch you like I do? Long night with your hands up in my hair, echoes of your footsteps on the stairs. Stay here, honey, I don't wanna share. This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. Can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a dream. Is it cool that I said all that? Is it chill that you're in my head? Cause I know that it's delicate. Is it cool that I said all that? Is it too soon to do this yet? Cause I know that it's delicate.
In this video, I definitely wanted to show you guys some hairstyles that you can achieve with the headband wig. So first we have this really cute top knot. I paired it with the cheetah headband. It's super cute. Next I did a side swoop bang with the floral headband, which was also cute. The next hairstyle though is my personal favorite. It just looks so good. It is the top knot bun with half down. We have it all to the side, and then lastly I did a half up half down style. But this is just a few styles that you can achieve. You can definitely do more. You can still curl this unit and have even more styles.
Here are my final thoughts on the unit. So I picked her up in the 22 inches kinky straight texture, but if you aren't a huge fan of this texture, definitely check out their website because they have a number of different textures and lengths to choose from. I definitely think that this is my favorite headband wig out of all the ones that I own, just because it is the most natural to me and it requires the least amount of maintenance. It looks super natural with my 4C hair. Because it's not a kinky curly texture, I don't have to put as much maintenance that I do with my natural hair, but it's super long, which I love, which allows me to do more styles. And it's still a kinky texture, so it's a bit more natural. Although it is a kinky texture, the hair is still super soft. It's also very thick, so as you can see, they did not skimp out on the density at all. With the kinky straight texture, it's long, but it's still very soft, very easy to manage. I can put it in a ponytail, I can put it up as you saw in the earlier portion. So I definitely recommend this wig. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. I think it's perfect for like my everyday errands. If you watch my vlogs, you would definitely be seeing this wig because it is such a get up and go wig. And it's perfect for beginners because literally all I did was lay my edges, apply the wig, and that's it. Let me know down below if you are interested in picking up a headband wig. What are your thoughts on them? Are you here for them or not? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah.